This video is going to be all about how to design a business card. Now, before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make a passive income online. Okay, so I did some more research on Etsy today. Yesterday I did research on what was selling well. Today I kind of went more in depth and I was looking for things that we were lacking. One of those things was mock-up photos for stationery, such as business cards, invitations and things like that, which I'm really going to get more into making some more mock-up photo videos here soon. But today I'm going to show you how to make a business card, and we're just going to say that we're making a business card for an event planner. Okay, so I looked up the size of a standard business card, which is 3.5 inches by 2 tall. So when we, if you convert that into pixels, which is what this goes by right here, is pixels, we are going to put 500 by 286. Now, if you Google, how many pixels is 3.5 inches, it's going to come up with a converter. So there's lots of inches to pixel converter, online. Okay, so we're going to click Create. And here is our standard business card right here. Okay, so I want to use something it's design elements. Okay, so I have some confetti. I thought confetti would be good, and I looked at some of these, but I think I'm going to do just a little bit more confetti. So I'm going to go into my folder here where I have a lot of my design elements and my wreaths and things of that nature. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and upload this one, which is a PNG file, and I am going to drag it over here. And I'm going to make this really big because I want to cover the entire thing with confetti. And I don't want there to be any blank spots. So you can kind of drag this around. Okay, so I think I'll stick with that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a color of foil . And I'm going to go to my desktop and I am going to go into my foil and paper. And I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I'm going to just drag this over here. I think that this is a gorgeous, gorgeous foil paper. And I'm going to blow this up just so you can see how pretty that actually is. Okay, so right here we are going to click Lighten, and that automatically changes the color of the black. Now there are some gray spots in there, and that's okay. And then it gives it a little bit more contrast, because if you noticed in the foil paper itself, there were some black mixed in with a little bit of the color. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And then we're going to return back to iPicky. Okay, I am actually going to go over to the editor, and I do not need to save this design because we already saved it. So I'm going to actually open up this. Is so far what we have. Okay, so now is what I'm going to do is we are going to click here on the layering effect, and I'm going to add this image. And is what we're basically doing here is we are making a border for the business card. Okay, now I'm just going to add some text, okay, and I'm just going to type my name, and I'm going to change the color to white. Oh, I had the caps lock on. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color to white. And then we want to change our font. And I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to bold it. Okay, so I'm going to make this really big. Okay, and then I'm also going to type Event Planner right down here, and I'm going to use a different font for that. Okay, and change the color to white, and I kind of like this. Actually, I don't know if I do. Let me pause this for just a second while I choose my font so you don't have to sit through the scrolling. Okay, so I did find the font that I would like to use for this. Let's see if I like it bold, and I think I do like it bold. And I'm going to make this just a little bit taller, and I'm going to make that just a little bit smaller, and then this just a little bit bigger. And then we just want to kind of center this as best as we can in here and put this up here a little bit closer. And that is how you make a simple business card. I did notice on Etsy that a lot of people that were selling logos, so like if you sold this as a logo, were also offering, you know, to go ahead and add on the business card. So, I mean, the options are absolutely endless, you know, with this. And, let me see if I can pull this over just a little bit more. So once again, the color options, color choices, they are all absolutely endless. I think this turned out perfect. I mean, I would have it as a business card if it were mine. So you can either sell the business cards by themselves, and you can pre-make them, and you can put, you can sell them on there on Etsy, and you can have them email you the information to do that for them, and then you'll email it back to them, let's say within 24 hours or less. I would say good customer service. The faster you get it back to them, the happier they are going to be. And then you could email this back to them and offer to do the logo, or you can do them separately, sell your logos and your business cards. I hope this video was helpful to you. Once again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.